Samsung melds premium flair with durability. The Watch 8 Classic borrows design DNA from the Watch Ultra, and even hints of the Sport Edition, but with refined polish and minimalist contours. The aesthetic is upscale, yet surprisingly unpretentious. Strap interface is redesigned with sharper, angular pin connectors. Some might call them controversial. But that's Samsung's new normal, bold, boundary-testing design. Its stainless steel case still radiates luxury, with expertly curved edges and a clean finish that elevates the wearable Overwatch game. The standard Watch 8 is a softer, more streamlined variant. Think understated elegance. 8 Classic delivers substance, heft in design, crisp paneling, and visual intensity for fashion-forward tech buffs. One size to rule them, the Classic drops the dual-size experiment. We're looking at a robust 47mm stainless steel diameter, ideal for those craving wrist presence. Samsung Watch Ultra maintains hardware parity with the Classic and regular models. Its selling point? Choice-driven aesthetic colorways, not spec upgrades. The Ultra and Classic deliver the same vibrant 1.5-inch AMOLED screen, contradicting initial visual assumptions suggesting the Classic had a smaller display. Samsung's new wearable OS, One UI 8 Watch, is poised to shatter expectations. Rounded display optimized, rounded rectangular, pill-style cards deliver visual harmony and streamlined navigation. Health-first intelligence. Bedtime coach curates your nighttime routine. Vascular load detects potential cardiovascular stress. Running coach crafts your training life. Antioxidant index uses carotenoid metrics to measure wellness. These are housed in the experimental labs section, a sign Samsung aims high. Your sleep AI partner. Beyond mere snooze logs, this feature analyzes multi-night data patterns, sends timely wind-down notifications, optimizes your alertness, mental clarity, and biological rhythm. This shift makes the Galaxy Watch a proactive sleep coach, empowering you to reclaim rest quality. Novel metric quantifying the pressure your blood vessels absorb overnight. Elevated load? It's potentially the earliest sign of cardiovascular irregularities. This inherently requires nightly wear, 3 nights over 2 weeks,